What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see what we got going on today, man. I'm finally finna pull Mr. Jones out, man. I'm finna put Mr. Jones on these radials and I'm keeping them on there for a while. Man, they ain't DOT approved, but I'm finna ride. If I gotta go somewhere, I'm going on the radio. I'm going and I'm gonna be ready to go all the time, man. So I'm gonna let's go get this thing covered. I hope he crank up, man. I ain't crank it up in a long time, but I like, man, I'm finna crank these ride reactions up, man. The weather good. We back 8-1, no steak sauce. Yeah, man, I told y'all, ain't nobody trying to make no move. Ain't nobody trying to make no move, man. So, like I said, if I skin down, I go ahead and finish this thing up, boy. The joker here gonna cost a ticket for real. It was a deal. It's a deal right now, but once that money's spent, it's over with. But for the time being, oh, I got to tuck on this. I'm gonna dry this nag. I'm finna dry this nag, man. I ain't it's hot too. This the one that got the AC. Y'all know what I need to do? Speaking of AC, I need to go ahead and get the AC hooked up on Dolo. I gotta drive that car, get them AC lines made. I could have been had the AC hooked up on Dolo long time ago. I need to go get them AC lines made. Might be on my agenda for the week. So let's see. I'm finna get these off of here. These coming up off of here. Let me see. Hope the battery ain't dead. We might have action. Let me see. Oh yeah. In the game. I'm gonna back this thing up, y'all. Alright, we got Mr. Jones backed up. Get my lugs out. I don't know where one of them at, man. I'm missing one of these. I mean, the black one will work too, the line drive, but I'm missing one. And we got these the fronts. I ain't put these jokers on so long. 13, 16, yeah. I have not had these wheels and tires on this car in a long time. These radials and front runners. But they going on now. They gonna stay on for a second. Cause this car here ain't gonna be moving unless it's business for now. I mean, I'm doing a ride reaction. And if I do want to drive it, I'm driving it on D. I'm riding. Man, I was hoping that thing in that bar. I don't know where that joker at, man. But you got to have these, man, hub central rings. They make sure your wheel fit on your hub like it's supposed to. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, 10. But yeah, we finna get to it, man. I'm roll time lap. Y'all already know. Got my nigga Fresh on the beat. Y'all already know the kill. I'ma give it to him. JMalcom in this bitch. Hey, captain of the squad, leader of the team. Y'all ain't gotta worry, everything on me. Money coming left and right like a drummer song. Somebody hit the light switch, they done turn me on. JMalcom in this bitch, that's my trademark. Funds never ending like a damn black card. Mean mug from your man, smile from your bitch. Middle finger to the haters, I'm the president. Yeah, I'm stupid, guapped up, make my pockets dance. Benjamin Franklin, he's my biggest fan. On the weekend, pull out on 26. Interior, open heart, damn my car sick. In my bitch bag, she's the passenger. Looking like 100,000, it ain't fair. Do this on a daily, it ain't nothing new. Hating ass niggas like, boy, I'm sick of you. Captain of the squad, leader of the team. Y'all ain't gotta worry, everything on me. Money coming left and right like a drummer song. Somebody hit the light switch, they done turn me on. Alright, we got them all switched over, so I'm finna go make this shakedown. Like I told y'all in the title. We finna see what's to it with these on. I don't think I shut this thing down but one time with these on. And that joker went too, boy. That joker went. It wasn't a good little number. I gotta find the ticket. I can't even been a minute. Cause y'all know I ain't had these on a long time. But I'm finna go to take this drive to Mexico. We're gonna turn the CO2 on. And I'm putting it on 15 pounds. And we're gonna let it eat. I'm gonna see what's to it. That joker gonna break tracks or they're gonna go. They're gonna do one of the two. So I might get wifey to follow me up the street since she just pulled up. Follow me up the street, man. I catch that outside view of this thing. Cause I ain't never got one. So I'm finna go get the draggy, the phone mount, and then we're gonna be ready to go. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, I'm checking in, man. So wifey ain't gonna be able to, man. I gotta go ahead and get this done. So I'm gonna tune in to y'all from the draggy view because the GoPro, I guess it slapped dead, man. I don't know how it must have got left on, but it must be slapped dead. But first, I'm gonna make sure the CO2 in the system. So alright, send them now. Every time I don't check to make sure the CO2 in the system, I get ready to make a shakedown. It don't make full boost, man, cause the CO2 don't be at the top of the line. So then I'm gonna cut y'all off, and then the next clip, man, we're gonna tune in. Y'all gonna tune in from the draggy, so y'all stay tuned. Boy, hey y'all, that nag over there, boy. Whew. Man, that nag over there, boy. Ooh. Hey, boy, that bad boy flying, boy. Hey, I forgot how fast John Jones is, man. I hadn't drove John Jones in a long time, boy. I forgot how fast that thing is, boy. Hey, John Jones with a number. John Jones with a number, boy. That bad boy flying, boy. That bad boy. Hey, I ain't taking no things off. Now, if I took somebody for a ride reaction on them, which I have never done, I have never took nobody for a ride reaction on them tires, except wifey. But boy, I take somebody for a ride on them. I'm finna set something up, man. That bad boy flying, man. But for right now, hey, I'm finna go ahead and get some target practice in too. Throw that in with the new, with the boom, with the camera lady. I'm finna get some target practice in with this shockwave right here. And I got some feather, some slugs, and I got some hollow points in here. Cause man, I got 9 shots basically. I got 5 in, 4 in the box. And I got to hit these. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 target. 1, 2, 3, 4. I be saving them. And I had them over there in the corner, but I keep kicking them, man, because they ain't have nothing in them. They keep spilling everywhere, so I said, I might as well go and shoot them, man. Y'all know I just caught this. If y'all missed the other vlog, y'all missed it. So, and this bad boy got some kick. So this time I'm going to try to hold it up and shoot it. Because I hip fired it the first day I bought it. So I'm finna go out here and set it up. Wife is going to record. We're going to see what I'm hitting like, man. This thing here going to be hard to aim. And already hard to hold, but We're gonna see what it hitting like. Man, I'm gonna throw the gloves on. Matter of fact, I'm gonna throw my mechanic gloves on. It might help me grip it better. So y'all hold tight. Alright, so let me get close, cause it'd be hard for y'all to hear me. We got shockwave, so I got 5 in here. I'ma shoot. I'ma try shooting like this time. I ain't trying to hit myself in the face, but I'ma try. Cause hip fire like this, it's just point and shoot. You can't really aim. So I'ma try like this. So y'all don't get on me. I'm probably if I don't hit, cause it's my second time shooting it. Last time I did a hip fire just to get a feel for it. So this time I'm gonna try to aim and hold it. Elbow gonna have to be up. I'm gonna try to aim and not get hit in the face. Cause that bad boy kicking like a mule. I'm gonna shoot for about 8 yards. Cause like I said, I'm still learning this gun, so I ain't trying to go. I'm really about 10. So we're gonna see. See what I'm saying? So kicking like a mule, boy. Hard to hold it. Let me see. This thing here kicking. Probably gonna keep one glove on. Cause they made my hand slip. Got 2 more. Load 4 more up, cause man, this hard to shoot. Real deal hard to shoot.
I can tell.
Huh?
You can tell. It's a big difference.
You seen how it made my hand?
That's why I say you can tell, cause I can tell where it's going. Like it, go up like.
This hard to shoot, man. And I'm just, y'all know I ain't no weak guy, man. It really hard to hold it. And I'm shooting some light rounds through it. And I let everybody shot it yesterday. And I did that in slow motion. Hard to hold, man. It's really hard to hold, so I'm gonna try hip firing. Cause I really don't like the way I hit. I hit when I held it up, but it's hard to hold. These slugs, some lightweight slugs. I got 4 more. They're more of a spray and pray gun right here. They're really what it is, just spray. I probably, honestly y'all, with this, I probably always keep buckshots in it. Cause I got slugs in it now just cause I got them. But this a buckshot gun, like just, I am in the area, let them pellets spread. Cause it hard, it really hard to hold this thing. I ain't capping y'all. Try it again. Let's see what we did, partner. Like I'm getting all right with the hip fire. Come on closer. And I was hitting right there. They're good now. They're good, ain't it though, wife? This is my 3rd time shooting.
Yeah, you did pretty good on it.
This is my 1st time hip firing, like actually trying to hip fire. And these are slugs, so it wasn't no buckshot. They were direct hits. So I hit that one. I hit that one low. Direct hits, and I hit all 4 of them. I think I did.
I remember
these 3 was standing. And then I hit it. I remember I hit one on the ground again.
Yeah, I remember the one I did. I remember that one over there.
Yep.
Oh, you did.
I hit all 4. All 4 of them from hip fire. So I hit that one direct hit, that one direct hit, that one direct hit, and then I think it was that one that was on the ground. We're gonna have to go back and look at the footage. And I hit it again. And those were slugs. Lightweight, but y'all see, if you ever shot one of these, put in the comment, let me know. This thing here, it hard to hold, man. I ain't even capping. Like, wifey shot it yesterday.
It is, y'all.
When I saw your footage.
Not a favorite, but of mine to shoot, but because it's just.
When I saw your footage yesterday.
Yeah.
Man, I got to show it to you in slow motion. Because it don't look like it's so fast, but it moves so much when you shot it.
Yeah.
Boom. It like, she shot it from the hip. It just knocked all that and it just.
Yeah. That's why I say it's not. And then when I would just want to, like, just.
Yeah, if we let somebody shoot there, it'll be a one shot gun. You know what I'm saying? Just put one or one in. Don't put no multiple rounds and just let them one shot and done. Cause y'all saw it jumped.
You better see when you slow it up on yours.
Huh?
You better see when you slow it up on yours.
No, I'm talking about that shot. Did you see what knocked my hand out of this though?
Yeah.
That time it knocked my hand out. It jumped out my hand with that glove, but wifey don't like this stuff like this, but I like it. Boy, this thing here's a mule, boy. This thing is crazy. So look, we're gonna cover John Jones back up, clean all this up, and then I'm gonna turn y'all back on. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. So look, got John Jones put up. Good little round of shooting with the Mossberg, man. I gotta practice some more with that. I gotta practice with that, man. I'ma really go practice solely with that. I can shoot everything else. I'm pretty good aim with everything else, but I'ma solely get some practice with that, man. That Benelli, I need to take that Benelli out, cause I haven't sent many rounds through the Benelli too, the M3, but I can hit with that. But that right there, that Mossberg, yeah, man, I gotta get some more practice with that. I ain't finna cap. I don't come on here and cap like I'm an expert shooter. I'm not. I'm a decent shooter and a decent aim. But that right there, I gotta get a handle on it. But boy, that John Jones, woo woo. Hey, that bad boy is a rocket. That thing is a rocket. Hey, you go in there. You ain't got no shoes on. That bad boy is a rocket, man. When I made that lick today in John Jones, I said, oh yeah, I'm ready to start back driving that thing. That thing flying, boy. So I'm gonna set a ride reaction up between this week and next week. I'm gonna get some set up, a couple of them. So I'm finna make some calls and stuff, man. Set some stuff up for y'all, especially when I got them on, cause I never took people for rides with them radials on. That's a whole different animal. It's a whole different ball game, man. So yeah, man, they're gonna wrap this vlog up, man. If y'all enjoyed it, I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.